Hey guys, I'm showing you this Wagons Carts Foldable 200-liter large capacity lounge wagon. All-terrain wagon used as a beach wagon, grocery cart, garden cart, sports wagon or camping wagon. So you can see this comes in a nice box. This can be is foldable, so you can also fold it and store it. So here this is the manual, so that describe how you can assemble or open this one, so that is straightforward and easy. So the maximum load you can take is up to 220 lbs, but I will say 200 lbs is a good amount. So this is the foldable base, so I will just show like how to set this up. So let's open this one first. So you can just unfold this and just stretch it out so that you will have it in a shape. Once it's a shape, you can just put in the base, put in the top cover. Once the cover is done, you have this screws that is on the top, and you can just lock this with this screws, so it's tightly secured. So all the four corners you can put in this. So once you are able to put this, you can then set this up. And there is a base, like there is a different sheet that need to put on top of it, so I will show you a little bit later on. Just putting in the screws so that I will secure this whole thing. So once the screws are done, you can see, then this is the base that goes, there is a like solid base that goes in the bottom. Then you can just put in the handle with the knob, and you can, so handle you can stretch, you can tilt, or it's adjustable one with the easy angles, and then you can just take it. So the wheels and everything is good and strong. You can see the whole cart, it's pretty easy with the big wheels. And then is a all-terrain wheel that can go on anything like the flooring or outside, and you can see the good size wagon here. So it's a strong good size wagon with a multi-purpose that you can use anywhere and take it anywhere. So it's a nice foldable, portable, any type, any terrain wagon for multi-purpose you can use anywhere.